Welcome back to Real Automotive, where we explore the cutting edge of automotive design and technology. Today, we're diving into Cadillac's most ambitious project yet, the 2025 Cadillac Celestiq. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. A blend of luxury, innovation, and individuality that sets a new standard in the world of ultra-luxury electric vehicles. If you thought the Escalade was Cadillac's crowning achievement, the Celestiq will make you rethink everything. Before we dive into the details of this bespoke masterpiece, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Let's start with the basics. The Celestiq starts at an eye-popping $340,000, and for good reason. Every single vehicle is built to order, tailored to the owner's exact specifications. This means no two Celestiqs will ever be the same, making each one a unique work of art. The Celestiq's design is both futuristic and rooted in Cadillac's rich history. Its elongated silhouette and hatchback design exude elegance while offering practicality. At over 18 feet long, it's even longer than the iconic Escalade, but its sleek lines ensure it looks agile and sophisticated. The interior is where the Celestiq truly shines. Step inside, and you're greeted by an instrument panel that spans the entire width of the cabine, a single digital display that merges cutting-edge tech with intuitive design. Every passenger gets the VIP treatment, with 4 individual bucket seats, each equipped with its own touchscreen interface to control climate, sound, and even the electrochromic glass roof. Yes, you heard that right, the roof can adjust from transparent to opaque at the touch of a button. Cadillac's bespoke program offers an unlimited color palette for the buttery leather upholstery, paired with brushed metal trim and ecologically sourced open-pore wood. This creates an environment that's not just luxurious, but also sustainable. Underneath its sleek exterior lies a dual-motor, all-wheel drive electric powertrain delivering a staggering 600 horsepower. This allows the Celestiq to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds. Despite its performance, the Celestiq focuses on comfort and refinement, drawing comparisons to luxury brands like Bentley. Features like adaptive air suspension and rear-wheel steering enhance its maneuverability, making it surprisingly easy to handle even in tight spaces. The 111 kilowatt-hour Ultium battery pack provides an estimated range of 300 miles per charge. While this is less than competitors like the Tesla Model S and Lucid Air, the Celestiq compensates with fast charging capabilities, gaining 78 miles of range in just 10 minutes on a 200 kilowatt DC fast charger. What truly sets the Celestiq apart is its exclusivity. Each car is handcrafted, with production limited to ensure rarity. Cadillac's bespoke program allows buyers to collaborate directly with designers, choosing every detail to reflect their personal style. This level of customization rivals ultra-luxury brands like Rolls-Royce and Bentley. Even practicality isn't overlooked. The hatchback design provides a spacious cargo area, lined with leather and accented by metal inlays, combining function with flair. With a starting price of $340,000, the 2025 Cadillac Celestiq is more than just a car, it's a statement of intent. For those who demand the pinnacle of technology, luxury, and individuality, the Celestiq delivers. It marks Cadillac's bold entry into the world of ultra-luxury electric vehicles, competing at the highest levels of the automotive industry. So, what do you think of Cadillac's latest masterpiece? Does the Celestiq have what it takes to stand out in the world of bespoke luxury? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the world's most exciting cars. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on Real Automotive.